What's up guys, welcome back to the Feezy-built channel. Today I am so excited to finally announce we are gonna paint the engine bay. It's actually tonight. I've been working my butt off, that's why we haven't had an upload for like the last week. I have been recording, but there's been a lot going on. I lost power at my house for like a week due to a gnarly windstorm, so we haven't had the ability to upload or do anything like that. I did get a hotel, so I had a place to stay, and I was recording, doing everything I could, but I wanted to make sure that the next thing I uploaded was the engine bay video. I have a couple other videos in store, and they're kind of already recorded and being edited right now, so those are coming soon. I'm so sorry guys about the no upload for, you know, like a week or two. I feel really bad about it, but like I said before, I'm juggling everything that I can, trying to do the best that I can. So today I'm going to be getting out of this outfit and into
this. Now that I got my proper painting clothes on, now you can see my hair and stuff, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to go ahead and mix my paint into my gun, put it through the strainer, and then I'll show you guys the color of that. Then I'm going to put the cap on it, go ahead and wipe that all down with the tack cloth, and get the painting. So, here we go.
So, gun messed up. Luckily, I got to Harbor Freight right in the nick of time, literally 5 minutes before they closed. Went and grabbed another cheapie. Should just throw these away after each use. You know, like regular gun cleaner, like good gun cleaner costs more than one of these guns. So I bought the cheap one because I already have the air controller. There's a cleaner that, you know, I could have used. So there you have it in all its glory. There it is. I'm going to take this old fitting out, put in my fittings on it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to put some thread tape around this fitting. I just went and bought everything just because I didn't want to get here and find out I didn't have another thing I needed. Just a quick strand of thread tape. Voila. Gun reacquired. So, I just had a very unfortunate thing happen to me. Something that I didn't really think would happen. But, you know, it is what it is, I suppose. I feel very defeated. I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. And I'm going to do my best to fix this tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. My father thinks that I should. I did not want to show you, I just wanted to fix this and have it look like a perfect scenario. But I've seen this happen to other painters. I've never personally had it to me. We had a weird chemical reaction, and luckily I jumped on top of it as quick as I could, but the damage was done, and it's very disappointing. But my father has always told me that quitters never win and winners never quit, and we're gonna make it through this, and we're gonna figure out a way to come out smarter in this situation instead of losing. So everything was going awesome, guys. Looking great, looking great. Not great. So what happened, or at least what I think happened, is the tack cloth that I was using up there had some kind of residual material left on it that made it sticky. That kind of transferred back over onto my painting surface, and I did not wipe that off because I usually just run a tack cloth before I paint. I think that's what happened. As you can see in like some of these spots, it's got a weird texture to it. That's what that looked like, and it kind of, dude, it was the craziest looking thing. It was like a science experiment. It started growing like a vein, and just the paint bubbled straight up, and everything underneath it, the primer, the base, all that came off too. So how I feel like I'm gonna approach fixing this is I'm going to let this cure for at least 12 hours. I'm gonna come back in and see what that coat feels like. To me, I feel like the paint had such a reaction that it'll never set. So, you know, if that's the case, it may be a little bit more scraping, but I will sand these areas, blend them as best I can with 1200, and reapply color. I mean, luckily I wasn't in a clear coat when this happened. You know, we're in the color, so we still have a chance to save this, but this is very unfortunate, and this is like the last thing that you would ever want to happen, clearly. So I will pick back up with you guys tomorrow. Hopefully it is after this has been cleared and it's all a beautiful color and I'm done with this process. But for now, I'm going to call it a night and go debate on why I'm still here.